The goal with this activity is to really loosen up the trunk. Here's what you're going to do. Get a foam roller. You're going to lie on your side, and you want your leg in this position here, so the bottom leg's straight. Top leg is down towards the ground. It's not high up like this, it's a little low. Let your head relax on your arm, and you're going to put a foam roller right in front of you and have your forearm kind of right in the middle of it, like this. I'm not straight out, I'm going to be at like a nice 45-degree angle. And then what you're going to do during this is you're going to inhale. As you inhale through your nose, you're going to slowly just roll your arm forward, and it's kind of going arm. As your arm takes up all the slack, then your shoulder blade's going to move. Then it's going to start to be trunk. You don't want to log roll everything. You're just going to go really slow. Only go as far as you can take an inhale. And the exhale, it's going to be mouth closed through the nose. You're just going to slowly bring it back. So you're teaching yourself to basically move your upper body components independently. It's going to look like this. So inhale. Exhale. Bring it back. You're going to inhale again. Exhale, bring it back. And I'll just show you it from the top so you can see just about how much movement I got. Here's the inhale. Exhale. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.